Oh, here we go. Guitar tutorial. Bon Jovi classic. Wanted Dead or Alive. Easy chords. D, G, C, and F. You can take your shortcut F if you'd like. Just drop your C down. So pretty easy structure. A lot of people get a little bit upset over the intro. It's a bit tricky, but we've got a way to tidy it up for you. If you get this finger shape going, it's kind of like a D7 shape. I've got my middle finger on G14. I have my ring finger 2 strings below it. So I have a 14. I'm not going to be hitting the B string, and then I have a 14 on the bottom with the 13. And I'm going to ride this open D. So it's going to be open D, G14, bottom string 13, back to your 14. You can move the whole thing down to 12s and drop your ring finger onto the 12. Same thing for 10. 9, lift the ring finger, giving it a 9-8. Double 5s, a 4-3, and then a slide. So we have 14 and 13, double 12, double 10, 9-8, double 5, 4-3, and slide it down. We've got that's going to be on our A string. O3 down to D, O3, O. You can actually do it with the D chord shape. It's actually a D2, which means we're going to be adding the second note of the D scale, Do, Re. That's going to be an E. The best way to add an E to a D chord is just lift off that middle finger off the bottom string. You get that twangy D2. You're going to be dropping that pinky down as well for a D4. Okay, on to the song. It's a D. It's all the same. Quick C. C and a G. Again. C and G. F, F, D. F, C and G. Again, a trombone, F, F, D, back home. Chorus, it's a C and G, F and D. Still horse I want, C and G wanted, F, F, D, F, F, D, C, G. Back up to the intro if you want. If you don't want to pick it, you can actually just strum through it if you like. Second verse, all the same. Once again. Sometimes I sleep, C and G. Sometimes it's night for days. The people I meet, F, F, D, where they go their separate ways. Sometimes you tell the day, C and G, by the bottle that you drink. C and G, F, F, D. I'm a cowboy, or a steel horse I ride. I'm wanted. Finish off with F, 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 D. Bon Jovi, thank you very much. Subscribe, and we'll see you again.